spoken to this doctor about how to lose weight and regain your health and beauty from within, and we're still going to get more of those secrets today. But Dr. Sophie Jacob has even more exciting news to tell us today. Her patient Karla Beers is also joining us as well. Ladies, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you. Great.
Doctor, like I said, we've talked a lot about, healthy weight loss, but we have kind of exciting news today. That exciting news is actually sitting here on the table. You're an author now.
Yes, I am.
Tell me about the book.
Absolutely. Well, this has been very exciting and incredible journey. This is the expression of my 20 years of practice as a chiropractor doing functional medicine. And the first chapter, I go over my own battle with weight loss and how this guided me to become, a healer and a weight loss coach. And, this book is all about finding and it's all about the body, deblocking the body's own interference. So you can lose weight, get healthier, and, we are all born to shine. So this is what this is all about. And, in this nation, 18% of death is linked to obesity. 18%. And this stems from type 2 diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, cancer, liver disease, depression, and dementia. So one of the aspects is very important that we haven't talked yet about, but I do cover in the book the mental and emotional aspect of the weight loss component, which is a major block for a lot of patients. It will give you tools and how you self-sabotage. Like, I know I should be eating this, but I am, and then binging and all those issues. So it's very important for the patient to dig in and help them and find out why this is happening. And one of the other things we talk in the book that I talk about is how my program play a role in feeding your brain and regulating your hormones, which will affect your entire body. 30% of what you eat goes to your brain.
Oh, wow.
So it's very powerful. So that's why we have so much success with what we do, because we are helping. It's above, down, and inside out. It helps the whole body, and people get results. We have a lot of patients have results with improved focus, clarity, decrease in stress, anxiety, a lot of decrease in pain and inflammation, better digestion. Everybody does our program. They look great. Look at Karla. Look at everybody have that glow. Yep. And we have great recipe for our patients. Yeah. We also talk about how important it is to get regular adjustment, because it's all about your health, but it improves weight loss as well. And the UltraSlim. This is the only FDA cleared and approved technology for immediate fat removal, and we guarantee you losing 2 inches on your first session. So that literally melts your fat away. So we're really excited about, So this is, you got to have the book. It's a great book, and this comes from our heart and our healing heart, and how it is unique in everything we're doing in our office, and what I come about and helping people in Tucson and our community.
Well, this is just another extension of that. Like, it kind of made sense. You do this in your office every day. You kind of put it into the books. Now everybody has an opportunity. But Karla, you've been able to experience this firsthand. What are some of the benefits that you've seen?
I can tell you that I have changed. In the last 2 months, I have lost over 20 pounds, over 10 inches, down 2 dress sizes, all in a phone call of watching the morning blend, seeing what this has to do with your life and making you a different person. I tried many programs before, and I didn't think that I could do that, but honestly, the first session made me fall in love with the UltraSlim.
Well, what was so different? Did you notice some things that really stood out for you?
I could say that the support in the office when you didn't understand things, going through other programs, the staff was amazing. They answered any questions I had. It was not a diet program. It's more of a healthy healing from the inside out, and it made me a better person. I feel healthier. I feel 10 years younger, of a grandmother of 2, so I'm very excited. Yes, I'm very excited.
Well, you look amazing.
Thank you.
Doctor, you were right. We continue to see these with the patients you bring. It is a glow. It's a smile that they can't get off their face. It's something like you were just saying, Karla. It's within. It's not always just the dress size and everything, but you just feel better. And we're going to definitely have more people that are going to experience that with the book and with this UltraSlim that we were also talking about. Kind of tell me a little bit more about that. Who's like a perfect person or a perfect candidate maybe for this? Of course, Karla, it worked out great.
Well, anybody that is overweight, anybody that needs to lose some weight, there's some area that you want to work on. You have that flab, or we have, you know, morbidly obese patients, people that want to lose that last stubborn fat area of concern. You want to lose fat in your arm, but mostly, you know, we really want to work it's over the abdomen, and it's great because this is, like I said, a clinical study trial proved on average female may lose 3.5 inches. This is in a 32-minute session. You lay there, there's no downtime. There's no tissue destruction. It feels good. It's awesome. And there's also some pain benefit I've seen. It may help patients with pain as well. But it is the only technology available out there, like I've mentioned, to create those results that we see immediately. We measure before and after, and we've had patients lose, we guarantee you lose 2 inches, but we've had patients lose 3, 4, 5, 6 inches in one session between the measurements. And the first time I've done it myself, which I'm thin, I've lost 4.5 inches.
Wow.
So we should do an entire segment on just UltraSlim. It is, you know, it is great, and in combination to what we already offer, because it's really an inside-out job. It's above, down, inside out. That's why I talk about the brain. That's why I talk about all nutrients. It's all about removing those blockages, because some patients, you know, everybody is different. We have to address those boundaries that people have blocks. So we address that. But you know, it's great. The UltraSlim in combination with what we already have is a winning combo. I will have to say that. And
a winning combo. That's a great way to put it.
It's a winning combo. Yeah, and we're here to make a difference for you so you can shine.
Yes, and I know someone at home is just like you, Karla, watching us right now, and they're thinking the exact same things you were thinking. So I'm going to tell them how to get a hold of you, doctor, and start on that journey. Ladies, thank you again so much for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Absolutely. As a special for the first 20 callers who dial 891-2882, you can get a health and weight loss assessment for only $49. And if you're one of the first 10 callers, you'll receive a signed copy of Dr. Jacob's book. For more details, just visit TucsonHealthyWeightLoss.com.